Hello everyone, in this video we will look at another way to adjust the controller's real-time clock, this time using SNTP synchronization. To do this, I'll open the CPU configuration, then go to the Synchronism tab, and you have to enable the SNTP service option. Next, you need to configure the SNTP service that the controller will use to synchronize its clock. For this example, you can use the server addresses provided by any SNTP service website, like this one. Then you have to copy one of these addresses here to use as the primary service for the controller, and another IP address for the secondary. You can also change the period for SNTP synchronization, for example 10 seconds, but in a real application, you may choose a longer synchronization interval depending on your requirements. And for SNTP synchronization to work, the controller must have access to the SNTP service through the network. A typical minimum architecture consists of the PLC connected to a network where the router's IP address is configured as the controller's gateway. Without proper network connectivity and a valid gateway configuration, the controller will not be able to reach the SNTP services and perform the synchronization. After configuring these settings, I'll download the configuration to the PLC. So let's do that right now. Now, let's verify that the PLC is synchronized with the SNTP server. So I'll go to the Online tab, then Clock Settings. At the moment, the controller date and time match the computer's date and time, and to demonstrate this synchronization, I'll manually write an incorrect date and time to the PLC. So let's say 1st January of 2000. The PLC shows an incorrect value, and there it is. The date and time have been corrected automatically. The controller is synchronized its real-time clock with the SNTP server and restored the correct time without any manual intervention. This is the advantage of the SNTP synchronization. Even if the controller's clock drifts over time or is accidentally changed, it can periodically synchronize with the time served and maintain accurate date and time information automatically. This is it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.